Hi, Jeff Haradine with Barletta, and we are on the C24UE. Happens to be a coastal edition, and I'll just want to give you a little walkthrough on this awesome boat. So, as is typical on a Barletta, these wonderful, wonderful bows, plenty of room to stretch out. Obviously, a nice armrest for me here. I'm 6 feet tall, and I can get my legs stretched out just beautifully on it. Or if I'm sitting and we're entertaining a lot, 1, 2, maybe even 3 people comfortable on just one side of the bow. And of course we have this mirror image of it on the opposite side. So another 2, 3 people, so 4 to 6 people just in the bow of this boat. Fantastic, tons and tons of room. And as you probably know from maybe watching some of my other videos, I love that we've got good symmetry on our boats. So the person in this chaise lounge is directly opposite from the person on this chaise lounge. The boats just flow nicely. I love how they've got good ergonomics, just a nice look and a design, a style to those seats. So the bow of this boat, just fantastic, looks really, really great. And of course, it's got our awesome, awesome, ultra soft vinyl. So stepping into the middle of the boat is where it gets kind of interesting. We have a co-captain's chair right here that's good for certainly 1, if not 2 people. I can face forward on it and comfortable, have a nice, great conversation with my captain here next to me. But what we wanted to do when we designed the Ultra Entertainer is have a good spot for somebody to entertain, have kind of a seating, a dinette area on the boat or a bar on the boat, whatever you want to use it for. And so not only did we want this to be a nice forward-facing seat, but we looked around and we just saw a lot of cool things in the home and the fashion industry where you'd have a bench seat on one side of the table and a couple of bar stools or a couple of more traditional style seats on the other side of the table. And we loved it and we thought it was cool, and we said, boy, not only is that cool there, it works perfectly on a boat because I can flip this thing backwards when we're out at the sandbar or at anchor, and now I've got a rear-facing seat and I'm sitting here comfortably at our bar or our countertop or our eating area. And so you can see, full-size adult, I got room for me and somebody sitting right next to me. Our Yeti Ready cup holders. Plenty of room on this bar top to serve a dinner, have a cocktail. And then 2 great bar stools. You'll notice our bar stools have good backs to them, so I'm comfortable sitting here for long periods of time. I got plenty of room, and whoever my partner is right here next to me, we're both comfortable. We've got room to move around and sit at the table. So we love that about it. Got a nice storage, a nice work surface area here, not storage, excuse me, but a trash can. You can never have too many trash cans on a boat like this. And then boom, here's the magic. We've got this bar top, this eating area, and we were able to combine it with the best ultra lounge in the business. And so we took a couple of great features of our boats, we brought them together in this one. And so here we are back at the Barletta Ultra Lounge. You can see it's a little narrower than our typical Ultra Lounge, but plenty of room for me. I got at least 2 people on it, side by side, and room to stretch out in a forward-facing lounging position. I can also do forward-facing seated position. That does work with the rear seat as well. As you may know, all of our Ultra Lounge will go into a full day bed. And if you'd like, you can pop that seat up and have a nice big rear-facing Ultra Lounge. So it's all the magic of our Ultra Lounge packed into the stern of a boat that also has a great sitting area. You don't give up the co-captain's chair. Got a great workspace with a trash can. Plenty of room off the back of the boat. Every Barletta has it. You know that's important to us because we know it's important to you. And then here I am at the really, really awesome C-Class helm. Nice, comfortable captain's chair. Got good access to everybody in the boat. That's important to all captains, I believe. And then our wonderful helm. Very automotive, very ergonomically friendly. Couple of great gauges. Control to my stereo. Throttle in the right spot. Cup holder for the captain. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know how important it is to me that we do the legroom at all of our helms. So no matter where you land on this boat, very comfortable to sit in. It's plenty of room for the family, all your friends, lots of entertaining. It's an extremely versatile boat, and you just don't give up much. It's a no excuses floor plan. We think you'll love it. So if you haven't seen one in person, feel free to get a hold of a local dealer, go check one out. Hope maybe you can see one at the boat shows or in the showroom, but we'd love for you to get an up close and personal look at it. It's a great floor plan, great boat. We look forward to seeing you on the water. Thanks.